Today we're going to show you how to install your new fully wrapped carbon fiber door handle decals. You'll see that we've given you a sheet of 4. If you mess any of them up, tear them, rip them, or just simply fold them over and you get a wrinkle in it, we'll send you a new one for free, so just let us know if you have any issues. The first thing you want to do is identify driver's side of the car and pull it off the sheet like we've already loosened. And you'll notice we have adhesive on adhesive here with a clear adhesive alignment sheet. That's going to help you get this set up perfectly before you put it on. You want to open up the door handle and make sure you have cleaned this thing perfectly with Windex, glass cleaner, etc. Okay, so let's get to it. The blue arrow on the right tells you where exactly to line it up. So you want to put the little cutout section directly on the end of the door handle, and you can press it down with one hand. Then you want to follow this line across here where you simply have your blue line right at the top edge. So see how I'm pushing down on this to line that up? This is your guideline. Okay, then once you get that exactly where you want it, you want to follow down to the end of the handle and make sure that you are covering up all the chrome. Okay, so again, you can lift it off, put it back down, start it right on the end, and then match up this end. And once you have it in place and you verify your blue line, it's right on the edge, and you have everything covered, you'll be ready to pull this door handle off. So you can see the edge is going to wrap right underneath here. Alright, so let's remove the decal now. So just pull it back, stick it to the chrome, maybe from the bottom, on the side, and then it's adhering very well to the masking tape. But once you get the masking tape off, you will see that the handle or the face is fully covered. If for some reason you notice there's a little bit of chrome showing, you can pull it up, give it a little stretch. This stuff is very adhesive and very strong. Okay, so now we have the front on. We're ready to wrap it under, but first we're going to flip down the top. So in the very top here, just fold the first one down, get it right underneath the edge there. You can pull it out, stick it down. The next one is our anti-scalding area, where we think this will help people like in Arizona and places where the car sits out in the sun. That this flip is going to go underneath and cover the full inside of the handle, so when you're opening and closing the door, you're not going to burn your fingers. So we've had a lot of people asking us for something like this. Next thing is we're going to flip this edge down here. This is a strong, super strong adhesive. So we've secured this edge, this. Now we're going to move to the last part where it has the long cut in it. Okay, you want to make sure that here, that this edge is up and it's not sticking down. And the top piece is what you want to put right up against the edge of the chrome, and just close it right down like that. Once you have that in place and you have it all covered and nothing shiny is showing, then we're ready to wrap the front piece over the top piece. And that's simply flipping it over like this and making sure, again, nothing is exposed. And then I'll pull this out. If you want to use your credit card to tuck that in and underneath. Again, we just designed this to cover the entire surface, to lose the bright chrome door handle look that gets so many fingerprints and it's so hard to protect. Okay, so now we're wrapping down underneath here, again using your fingers is the simplest way to get strong adhesive. And here you can see our miter cuts we designed so the material doesn't bunch up on you. So we've removed the excess material in our pattern, and then we're going up to this corner, and the last piece would be this edge here, final edge, and you'll see all the way around there's no chrome exposed. Even when you pull the door handle out, you can barely make anything out, It's completely a beautiful match. And now when I close the door and the car locks, the door handles retract, you will see a very clean cut, simple to do. Takes only a few minutes for each door handle. And we're also doing it in custom colors: white, black, carbon fiber white, flat black. Give us a call if you have any questions. Again, this is Mark with RPM Tesla, and these are our brand new fully wrapped carbon fiber door handles. Thanks again.